Hey, how's it everyone? Welcome to the video. My name's Matthew, I work with my dad and we build houses. We are busy working on the beach house renovation. So yeah, we're turning an old 50-year-old beach house into a brand new beach house. Let me show you what it's looking like so far. Alright, so we're going to be starting today with the flooring. So I'm going to be putting on the underlay. What is the underlay? That's the underlay. So it's a big roll of thick plastic rubbery material. It almost feels like that material that's on the kids' playgrounds, like almost like a rubbery tar kind of a thing. I don't know. But yeah, we've been vacuuming, we've been cleaning. This place was a terrible mess this morning. So I've been doing that. It is now, I think it's close to 3 o'clock. So I'm going to get this underlay down and then I'm going to start with the flooring if I've got enough time. So we're going to be doing laminate flooring, and with laminate flooring you're wanting to put underlay on, which will then absorb some of the impact, so it won't be clop clop. You don't want to put it straight on the wood. This is a nice padding, these underlay rolls. So yeah, I'm going to be putting them down and getting this place ready for the laminate flooring. Cool.
Okay, Matt, new day. What's happening in the beach house today?
Yeah, so as you can see, we've got our underlay down. We're putting this down. This is the first layer of the laminate flooring. So we're wanting to start off in that corner down there, and then we're going to run it long ways. Ideally, we would run it crossways like the original floor is, but the original floor has like minor bumps, so if we run it along, we might feel some of those minor bumps still in the floor. So we're going to run it long ways to eliminate all those bumps. So yeah, that's what we're going to do.
Where's the other half today? Where's Mr. Top Tip today?
Yes, I don't know. He's left us with no top tips. He's gone hunting again, so we're going to go without him.
How's it doing alone?
It's nice and peaceful. Miss my dad on the side, but it is also nice to work on your own every now and then. But it's better when he's here. Okay, so step one, to any flooring you do, not just laminate or vinyl, is you want to achieve ultimate squareness. It means everything is square. You don't want squiff flooring, because everyone will notice squiff flooring. Okay, that thing is nice and square. Now let's make it a little bit longer. So we're going to use this squareness here. Squareness, these boards here as a guide. All right, and once we get the beginning in, the rest should all match up along the side there. Once we start off good, the rest should go well. Okay, so let me just check quick. Okay, nice. So now we're going to start with our rows on this side, and then we're going to take a tape measure and then measure the distance between those two boards, and then we must match it the same. Okay, cool. So I've set up these two rows over here, and yeah, our spacing and our squareness is lekker. All right, cool. Let's clap a time lapse and let's go for it. So I've got my friend James here. He's giving me a hand. He's going to do all the end cuttings. So we see how he does. So I appreciate James, but while I'm doing this, he should be measuring the next one so that we can go quick. But he's on his phone.
Yes, boss.
Right, all right. So pretty much what you do, all of this has a lip. Okay, you see here on the end, maybe you see it. So you stick this lip, so this would be the tongue, this is the groove that I'm sticking it into. Stick the tongue into the groove, get it as close as you can to the end of here, make sure that it's an even gap, then press it down. Once it's pressed down, you look for your tools. You go, where are my tools? There are my tools. And then just pop your foot there to hold it down. You clap it in. Alright, it is Wednesday. It's a beautiful day today and the weather is good. There's Table Mountain. Lekker. Too many lekkers today. Hey? Today, I'm not going to say any lekkers. The rest of the video is not going to have a single lekker in it. Alright, let's try. I'll do my very best. Okay, what I'm going to start off this morning is with doing these pieces here. Alright, so let's get them cut, let's get them put in, and then we're going to carry on down that side of the world. Did I say lekker? I can't remember. Just, it's been that quick and I can't remember. Alright, so I've got this piece over here that I'm going to chuck in over there. But my pencil's in the bucky. Let me go get it quick. Pencil is one of those things that you always lose. Lekker. Oh man, failed. Nice. Nice, let's get this going. So remember, you don't measure it like this because then you're going to cut the wrong piece. You flip it around, butt it up against the end, measure it just short. Okay, then you need the square. Let's put it in. Nice, nice. Nice. It's okay, we're going to have that skirting covering the end. Okay, next piece. Okay, so this piece over here will go where we cut, and this piece here will start the next row. That's how we roll. Okay, perfect. That's a good gap. That's what you want. So you guys know the flooring. This is it. 48 hours waterproof, Aqua Pro Select Classic Tough Flooring Collection. Nice. Man, I want to say lekker again. Why did I do this to myself? Nice. Good. Alright, let's go the hard way. Oh, you're not coming. I'll see you later. You're not too great as a camera person.
I am.
My wife is here on site.
Hello.
She must get it right.
I don't do this normally. I'm the editor.
Are you?
Yes.
You're the editor? I never knew that. Oh.
Okay, let me film. Isn't your ears sore?
What?
What?
I'm trying to get an artsy shot.
Yeah.
You know, I learned with this camera, the more artsy shots you do, the more you just waste your time.
Okay.
Just shoot me straight on.
Let me practice. He's judging my filming skills.
Yeah. Come watch. Bonk.
How's it looking, bro?
Yeah, looking good. We're here in the kitchen here. and it's all the tight cuts and everything, but it's coming along nice.
What's the biggest challenge right now?
That was the biggest challenge, cutting it around this over here. Hey, how's it? Just hang on. Alright, it is Friday and we are probably, well, we're nearly done the floor. Check it out. Looking good, eh? Ashish. Dad, you back?
I'm back.
I missed you.
I missed you too, mate.
Yeah,
Actually, not really.
You didn't miss me.
I did,
I
actually.
missed your top tips too.
Didn't you give your own?
No, I'm not allowed to.
You can.
There
When
you-
I'm away, you're allowed to.
Am I?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
Right, how was your trip?
It was good.
Good.
Yeah.
I like it.
Here's a top tip.
Well,
Don't go away when the job's not finished.
that's a good one.
Yeah.
That's a nice one. What you doing now? Are you gonna be doing the plumbing?
Yes, I'm going to climb in the roof and connect up the plumbing. We put the geyser in there, but it's just lying in the roof, so we've got to get all the water pipes to it,
Yeah.
and all the valves and all the safeties and everything on, and then we're good to go.
Alright, so the floor, the kitchen area is done. Looks nice. This whole area is finished. And I'm busy over here. So I've got this section to do. And then the bathroom. But otherwise, these floors here are also finished. We did that in I think the last video, I can't remember. But yeah, you want to see more flooring? Let's do more flooring. Okay, we're done in this middle area. We didn't go into the bathroom, just in case the bathroom, if it did any chance get wet or damaged, that you can just pull up the bathroom floor. So we're going to have a reducer strip over here that covers the join. Like we have in all of the bedrooms, we're going to put one of those reducer strips. So yeah, let's get the bathroom going and let's get it done. Cool, let's do another magic trick. Alright, bathroom floor is done. Okay, so along the edge over here we're going to put some silicone. So we've gone up quite tight there, so we can just seal it there with silicone. That's the plan. Nice, bathroom done, lunchtime. Hey, how's it everyone? So, busy with the skirting here. So I've started here, gone around, gone all the way to here. So, working with the skirting. So I'm going to measure a piece, go cut it, slap it in. Measure a piece, go cut it, slap it in. Alright. Okay, now we've got a little piece that goes in there. Nice.
Matt, what's happening here outside?
Hold it up.
Yeah, so we are busy sorting out the main waters. So this is the main water pipe that takes the water into the house and then up into the roof.
So we've got to make a connection here.
So we've got to connect it up, and then this will go into the geyser and throughout the roof wherever we need it.
Nice to have you back from hunting.
Yeah, it's nice to have him back. I'm
That's gotta work.
I'm glad he didn't tell me I did the floor the wrong way. That would have been bad.
Yeah.
Alright, that is us for the day. Cool, get a nice look guys. So it's looking good. Oh, so lekker. How are you doing, Dad? So, you've had a busy day, but how has this job come along?
It's coming along. We're almost there.
Coming along.
Last week, I think, to go.
Last week. It's been a rough day. That's your second Coke.
I know, it's been a long day.
Don't tell Mom.
And 2 more ones.
And 2 more ones. Jeez. Cool, but that's the video. We're going to end it there. Thanks for watching the video. And if you want to subscribe, klap 'n lekker subscribe. And why don't you in the comments comment what has been your most favorite part of this build? Let us know. But cool, thanks for watching the video, and we'll see you guys in the next one.